evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. As you can see, there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates, but regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead. Such scenes here, a sea of team colours, songs ringing down from the stands. The tone is set for the 90 minutes ahead. Lyon have opted for a 4-4-2 formation.
I think it gets a terrible raw deal these days. It's deemed old-fashioned, outdated, but in truth, with the right personnel, it works just as well as any other system or formation. Success can still be had with it, and teams are still winning big trophies with exactly this setup.
So it's away we go then. Shapes to shoot. And collective relief etched on the faces of the defenders.
Well, the work rate to win the ball back was fantastic, and it set up the opportunity. That's great effort.
Moved on forwards. Looking for options for movement. Keeper's ball. Gasol. Good steal, he just read it. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Maitland-Niles. It's a goal kick. Goes forward. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. And that's definitely not his best. If you have just joined us, well, you've missed no goals. Lovely bit of skill. Nice physical challenge. Well, that is good. Super running, sharp movement. Came up against a defender, though, who was ever so determined. It's gone for a throw-in. Gasol. Now Tolisso. And that is out of play. Passes short and sharp. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Searching ball that into space. Played in with accuracy. The pass has gone astray.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
Forwards and with intent. Oh, he's felt that, hasn't he? Aim forwards. Tolisso. Passing is crisp and sharp. Can he get onto this? Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Pass is coming off in quick succession here. Oh, good take, and can he finish? And he has kept it out somehow.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
Lyon can start a counter here. He's shifting through the gears here. It's Maitland-Niles. Corner given. Defending of the desperate variety. Oh, lovely bit of skill. Cross goes in there. Shapes to shoot! A real chance and a real let-off.
Do I really need to tell you, Peter, that he has to do better, especially from there?
Gently done. And the first half is done. But it has been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Perhaps the more impatient amongst the supporters will feel they're overdue a goal, but it's certainly not for the want of trying, so nothing to show as yet. At the break, it's 0-0. Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break, 0-0. And we're already back underway here.
Lyon can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up, but they've played with urgency and purpose and can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
Goes down, but nothing given. He's a sharp little ball here. Here's the delivery. There's the hit! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
And now they can spring out of defence. It's played forward. Nice sequence of passes this. Oh, it's a promising build-up this. Plenty of really nice passing. Tolisso. Still waiting for the game to take off here. 0-0. Salzburg looking to pass their way through. Well into the second half, and still there's nothing between them. The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. And the finish! And he hits the net!
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
Salzburg take the lead.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, the time has arrived to start taking risks. They may well be happy just to level this.
It's an inviting-looking ball, that. Look at the space here. Real chance! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
Massive lead! Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
Maitland-Niles. Forward it goes. Liakate gets across to intercept that. That'll be a throw. Well, he's going to be disappointed with that. Looking tidy in possession here. Oh, what's he giving here? No, the referee's judged that the offence took place outside the area.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
He's gone for the shots. Lyon can counter promptly here. That's a promising run he's making on the right. And it's played into the middle. Climbs up big! And that would have won it.
Yeah, he knew only too well that to concede then would have been tough to recover from. That could prove a big moment in this game.
And that has left him in a... He's tried one! Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge.
It was a sterling effort, and at least he kept it on target. And it was worth a go.
Could be danger here. A long ball by the goalkeeper. Salzburg finding their passes. Oh, played through for the wide man.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
No, he's not getting his way this time.
Salzburg certainly don't need to overcommit now. Their priority lies further back.
And he's had a hit! Denied by an instinctive save.
Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
Passing is crisp and sharp. No, he's not getting any further than that. Defending was strong and firm. He's had it taken off him. He has found the way through. He's had a hit! That was superb goalkeeping.
Really anticipated that well, didn't he?
their second corner of the game. Clears it away. Cross into the box.
Okay, it didn't quite come off. The execution.
Added time is up, and there goes the whistle.